Learn how to install your pre-attached nostalgic warehouse door hardware in this quick video tutorial. Once you receive your hardware, open the box to check what is included. The box includes 2 pre-attached lever and plate assemblies, 1 strike plate with 2 wood screws, 1 faceplate with 2 wood screws, 4 to 8 wood mounting screws, 1 spindle, 1 latch, and 1 Allen wrench. For privacy door sets, you will also receive 1 privacy pin and 1 privacy release key. You will need a pencil, a Phillips head screwdriver, a drill with a 1/8 inch bit, and measuring tape. Remove any current hardware you may have on your door. If this is a new door, make sure there is already a pre-drilled borehole. Use your measuring tape to measure from the edge of the door to the center of the borehole. Standard back sets are either 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches. Place the faceplate in its hole on the side of the door. Mark the holes with a pencil. Remove the faceplate and drill holes where marked. If you have a privacy set, locate the privacy function hole on the latch. Make sure the threaded side of the privacy function hole is installed facing the interior side of the door. Insert the latch into the borehole. If you have a privacy set, make sure the non-threaded privacy release hole faces the outside of the door. The beveled side of the tongue should face towards the door jamb when the door is open. If it is facing the wrong direction, rotate the tongue. Place the faceplate over the latch tongue on the edge of the door. Use the provided wood screws to attach the faceplate to the door. Insert the spindle through the latch in an on-diamond orientation with the button side first. Make sure you push the button down and hold down during insertion. Make sure the privacy pin hole is adjacent to the door's edge and the plate is parallel with the door edge. Install the exterior set by sliding it onto the spindle. For passage plates, the only visible holes on the exterior half of the assembly are for mounting. For privacy plates, the exterior set has 1 additional hole for the privacy release key. Mark the mounting holes through the plate with a pencil. Remove the assembly and drill 1/8 inch mounting holes into the exterior of the door. Replace the set and use the wood mounting screws to secure the assembly to the exterior of the door. Slide the interior set onto the spindle. Make sure the privacy pin hole is adjacent to the door's edge and the plate is parallel with the door edge. Mark the mounting holes through the plate with a pencil. For privacy sets, there is 1 hole for the privacy pin in addition to the mounting holes. Remove the assembly and drill 1/8 inch mounting holes into the interior of the door. Replace the set and use the wood mounting screws to secure the plate to the interior of the door. Use the Allen wrench to tighten the hex screws on the levers on both sides of the door. For privacy sets, insert the privacy pin in its hole and twist to tighten. To ensure functionality, push the privacy pin in and check that the exterior lever does not turn. To test the privacy release function, with the door open, push in the privacy pin. Then insert the privacy release key into the hole located on the outside of the door and push to unlock the door. Mark and drill the holes for the strike plate. Place the strike plate on the inside of the door jamb and install with the provided wood screws. You have now correctly installed your beautiful vintage nostalgic warehouse hardware. For more information about Nostalgic Warehouse, contact our customer support team.